Keto chicken curry bell pepper sandwich. This easy, no-cook, dairy-free, egg-free, keto breakfast is perfect for busy mornings. Ingredients: 8 ounces, red bell peppers. 9 ounces chicken breasts, cooked and cut into small pieces. ½ cup mayonnaise or vegan mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon curry powder. Salt and ground black pepper, to taste. 1/2 ounce, scallion, finely sliced. 4 leaves butterhead lettuce. Cut the bell peppers lengthwise and remove the seeds. Set aside. In a medium-sized bowl, mix together the chicken, mayonnaise, scallions, and curry. Add salt and pepper to taste. Place a salad leaf on every bell pepper half. Divide the chicken curry mix into the bell peppers. Garnish with scallions if desired. Easy meal right, there is more, but you need to click on the link below.